Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the Twilio API for WhatsApp. So the first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to search for Twilio and then click on their website. And then once you're here, we just have to create our account. So we can start for free. So just simply click on the start for free option or click on the logged in option at the very top right. Okay, and then right here, just have to simply click on the sign in option if you already have an account, or just type out your email. So to sign up, you just have to type out your first name, your last name, email address, as well as your password, and then just click on continue. And of course, you can sign up with Google as well. Okay, so just simply click on the sign up with Google, and then you just have to choose your Google account, and then a code will be sent to your email. Then you just have to paste it right here and then click on continue, and you'd be directed to your account dashboard. Okay, so the first step that we should do is to get a Twilio phone number. So you'd be able to see that over here. So when you click on an option, we'll be able to get our phone number. Okay, so when I scroll down under the My Twilio phone number, here is our number. So we are going to use this one later on. Okay, now the next thing that we should do is to try out the SMS. So to do that, we can go to the messaging option. So this one to the left side. And when we click on the overview, we'd be able to see here the SMS as well as the WhatsApp. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds to send and receive messages at a scale with messaging APIs. So we have SMS and WhatsApp. But if you cannot find the messaging overview, you can go here at the left side and click on the Explore Products. Okay, so just click on the Explore Products and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And right here for the programmable communications, we have here the messaging. So you just have to simply click on it and make sure to click on the pin icon, and you'll be directed to this messaging overview. Now let us proceed and try the WhatsApp. So just click on this try WhatsApp option. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. And then what you're going to do next is we are going to connect to Sandbox. Okay, so connect to WhatsApp Sandbox. So to begin testing, connect to Twilio Sandbox by sending a WhatsApp message from your device to the Twilio phone number. So you just have to send a WhatsApp message. So you can scan the QR code on mobile or simply use this number, and then you just have to open your WhatsApp application and then send a message to this number. Okay, so when you do that, you'd be able to connect your WhatsApp Sandbox. So when sending a message, make sure to use this code join construction -sort, so you'll be able to connect your WhatsApp Sandbox. Okay, and when you do that, you'd be able to see here now and try the WhatsApp. So here you can send a business initiated message. So in this step, you can start a business initiated conversation with your users. So business initiated conversation require the use of pre-approved templates until the user responds. So choose from one or our pre-approved template to start a business initiated conversation. And once the customers reply, then you can send the free form messages for the next 24 hours. So we have here the number of the recipient and the number of the sender. And of course, we have the content template type. So we have appointment reminders, order notifications, or verification codes. So I'm just going to select the appointment reminders. And for the content template message, so here appointment is coming. So here we can add the date and add the time as well. So now that we are ready, we just have to send the template message. And then we just have to wait for the reply. Okay, and then as you can see right here at the right side, we can see the different codes. Okay, so here is the curl, the Java, the Ruby, and more. And for the code for the response, we also have this one. So take note that you don't really have to be good at coding. You just have to follow the instructions, and of course, if you want to explore more about Twilio, then you can hire a developer for this one. Okay, so for the next step is to start any user initiated conversation. So when your customers message you first outside of an existing conversation window, you can reply without having to use templates. So this user initiated conversation lasts for 24 hours. So to test this, simply reply to the WhatsApp notifications you just received on your device to start a 24-hour conversation window. So you just have to wait for the reply. Okay, so message from you, and right here you'd be able to see the recipient and then the sender, of course. And for the next step, congratulations on finishing the WhatsApp sandbox. What's next? So here, just through your own WhatsApp sender, create and submit your own WhatsApp template. Learn more about how Twilio WhatsApp API works. Okay, so before we end this video, let us proceed to the sender section. Right here, you'd be able to see the short codes, the WhatsApp senders as well. Okay, so when you click on the WhatsApp senders, you'll be able to see here all of the senders. So we have to upgrade our account to submit a WhatsApp sender. Okay, so this is just a free trial. So if you would like to upgrade your account, so just click on the trial option at the top, and then you have to pay for a specific amount. So now let's proceed to the settings and then click on the general. So right here on the general section, you'll be able to see here all of these details. Okay, so I think we don't have to discuss this one by one, but if you would like us to make videos, a detailed video about the general section, then you just have to leave your comment below. Okay, so now let's go to the phone numbers. So here we have the manage option. So all we have to do is to click on this one, and right here when we click on the active numbers, we also have the release numbers, the buy a number. So when you click on the buy a number, we'd be able to see here the country. So here we just have to look for our country. Okay, and then we have the capabilities of this number right here. So if you'd like to uncheck this one, or if you don't want to include these capabilities, you just have to click on that. Okay, and then here you can search for a criteria. And of course, you can also skip wait times. So let us handle the compliance and launch globally on day 1 with verify. So right here we have the number, the type, the capabilities, the address request, and of course the price of the number that you are planning to buy. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.